Hello, my dear scholars. How are you? I hope you all are fine, and I am sure that you all are completing your work in your notebooks. Right, scholars? Yes. So, scholars, from today we are going to start with very important topic, that is fraction. Chapter number 6, fraction. Okay, scholar, this concept is very important. Okay. So, before starting with this chapter, scholars, I will tell you one short story which is related to fraction. Scholars, so are you all ready for the story? Yes. So we'll start with story. Okay. Once there was a man named Ram. He was very famous for his calm behavior and patience, who never lost his temper whatever happens. There was one another man who is very mischievous named Shravan, who decided to make Ram to lose his temper. Ram ran a cloth shop for his living. One day, you know what happened, scholar? This Shravan went to his shop. Whose shop? Ram's shop, and asked the price of dhoti. Ram said that the price of this dhoti is rupees 8. Shravan immediately took that dhoti and tore into two equal halves. Okay. Now he took one part of the dhoti and asked, what is the price now? He was sure that Ram would have got angry, but Ram was very calm and replied that since dhoti is divided into two equal parts, one part is for rupees 4. Since whole dhoti is rupees for 8, so one part would cost half. Okay, that is rupees 4. Okay. Now again, you know what Shravan did? Shravan took both the parts and tore them once again. Now there were 4 parts of dhoti. One part was equal to 1/4 of the original dhoti. Shravan asked again, what is the price of one part now? Without any hesitation and without showing anger, Ram replied that one part is equal to rupees 2. Okay, one part is equal to rupees 2. Shravan was very surprised with Ram's behavior. Now see what Ram did. Ram took all the parts of the dhoti and said, my dear friend, now these are of no use to you. I will get them and stitch and use it at my home place. Shravan felt ashamed. He said sorry and he paid full price of dhoti, that is rupees 8. Okay, scholars. So scholars, now we'll start with our concept. Okay. So scholars, we will see about fractions. What are fractions? First of all, we will see definition. A fraction, this word fraction, it has come from Latin word fractio, which means to break. Okay, and a fraction is a number that can represent a part of whole. Okay, a part of whole. It represents one or more equal parts of the whole object. Okay, now see what is the way to write fraction. See, this is the way we write fraction. One number on the top and one number on the bottom. The top number is known as numerator and the bottom number is known as denominator. And we have one bar which separates numerator and denominator, which is known as fractional bar. Okay, we will see about this in our next slide. Now see, here we have an example of fraction. See, suppose this circle is divided into how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want to remove one part. So how I will write in the fraction part? 1 upon 4. Okay, this blue circle is the part of whole circle. Okay, so 1 upon 4 is the part of full circle. 4 means the circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, scholars. Now we will see few examples of fraction. See, here this circle is divided into how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will write in the denominator. And this circle is divided into how many equal parts? 2. 1 and 2. Okay. Similarly, now see. This full circle is divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Which I will write in denominator. Total you have to write in denominator. Okay. And this is a fractional bar. Now, how many parts are shaded? One part is shaded. So, 1 upon 4. Okay. Similarly here, this circle is divided into 8 equal parts and one part is shaded with blue color. So 1 upon 8. Okay, we can write as 1/8. Okay. Similarly, this full circle is divided into 2 equal parts, okay, which I will write 2 as denominator. And how many parts are shaded with blue? One part is shaded with blue. So, half part is shaded, okay. So, fraction is 1 upon 2, okay. Okay, scholars, now we will see about numerator and denominator, okay. See, the numerator is the top number of the fraction, okay. The number which is written on the top is known as numerator, and the denominator is the bottom number of the fraction, okay. The number which we write in the bottom, that is known as denominator, and one bar is there which separates numerator and denominator, that is known as fractional bar, okay. Here, see, we have one example. See, this whole pizza is divided into how many equal parts? 4 equal parts. Okay, how many parts do we have? Okay, now in this picture, how many parts can you see in the pizza? Okay, 3. Suppose 1, 2, 3. You will write in the numerator. And what you will write in the denominator? How many part is the whole divided? This whole is divided into 4 equal parts and I can see only 3 parts. Okay, which I will write in the numerator. Similarly, see, this pizza is divided into 3 equal parts, but I can see only one part. 2 parts are eaten by my friend. Okay, and only how much part is left? One part is left. So 1 upon 3. Similarly, this mushroom pizza is divided into 5 parts, of which of which only 2 are remaining, and three of them are eaten by my friend. So how many are left? 2 upon 5. Okay, similarly, this cheese pizza is divided into 8 equal parts, of which I can see left are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 are left and 3 are eaten by my friend. So the fraction of this cheese pizza is 5 upon 8. Okay, so scholars, you have to remember that the top number is numerator and the bottom number is denominator, and you have to learn spelling of numerator. Okay, numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator. Okay, scholars, now scholars, we will see about like fractions, unlike fractions and unit fractions. Okay, this concept we have already studied in class 4 also. Okay, see, in like fraction, the denominator of the fractions are same. Okay, the if denominator is same, that means that set is the like fraction. Okay, in unlike fraction, the denominator of the fractions are different. If denominators are different in the set, that means that full set is of unlike fraction. Okay, and in unit fraction, the numerator of the fraction is 1. Okay, if the numerator is 1, it means that is a unit fraction. Okay, numerator is 1, and in like and unlike fraction, we have to see denominator. If denominators are same, it is a like fraction. If denominators are different, it is a unlike fraction. Okay, we will see few examples related to like, unlike and unit fraction. See, here we have 1 upon 4. Okay, this full square is divided into 4 parts and one is shaded. 1 upon 4. Similarly, full square is divided into 4 parts and 2 are shaded. Okay, and here 3 are shaded, so 3 upon 4. So this is a like fraction. Okay, now see, this circle is divided, first circle is divided into 2 parts, so 1 upon 2. Second circle is divided into 3 parts, of which 2 are shaded, so 2 upon 3. And third circle is divided into 4 parts, of which 3 parts are shaded. So fraction is 3 upon 4. Okay, so see, here we can see denominator is 2, 3 and 4. Since denominators are different, it means this set of fraction is of unlike fractions. Okay, so scholars, now we will see one more example: like fraction, unlike fraction and unit fraction. Fraction with the same denominator. See, here we have 1 upon 9, 3 upon 9, 7 upon 9. Everywhere denominator is 9, it means this set is of like fraction. Like fraction. Fraction with different denominators: 1 upon 6, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 8. Here we can see denominators are different: 6, 3 and 8. So this set of fraction is of unlike fraction. Now a fraction with numerator 1. Here we can see that everywhere numerator is 1. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 6. So this set of fraction is unit fraction. Okay, scholars. Now, scholars, your task. What you have to do? See, you have to write 5 examples of like fraction, unlike fraction, and unit fraction each. Okay, each of like fraction, each 5 for unlike fraction, and each 5 for unit fraction. Okay, and now second task is that you have to draw any shape representing 5 upon 8. Okay, you can draw circle, you can draw square, you can draw rectangle. Okay, and 7 upon 9. Okay, see what you will do. You will draw, suppose you are drawing one circle, you have to divide circle into 8 equal parts, and of which you will shade 5 with any color. Okay, similarly you will do for this fraction, that is 7 upon 9. Okay, and you have to write numerator and denominator for the same. Okay, this task you will do it in your rough notebook. Okay, scholars. So scholars, here we have completed introduction of fraction. From our next video we will be starting with our exercise. Okay, scholars. So scholars, bye for now, take care of yourself. Okay.